9 gold medals each in cycling and athletics, Maharashtra held on to their position at the top of the medal tally with 34 medals in the Khelo India Youth Games yesterday. Delhi, who claimed 8 gold medals, surged past Uttar Pradesh to the second spot. Manipur took the 12th spot in the medal tally with 2 golds. Tangleibung Ground Extension Committee Oinam organized the inauguration of Floodlights, a friendly football match at Tangleibung Ground Oinam yesterday. MLA Oinam Constituency Radhakishore Laishram, AEP Project Director PWD Government of Manipur Joy Kumar Yumnam, President Manipur People's Party Brojen Soren Sangbam attended the inaugural function. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu said the state government will establish an Eka Dialect and Preservation Center in order to preserve the Eka language and culture. Stating that East Kameng will witness tremendous development in the coming days, Khandu urged the government officials in the district to work with dedication. The Bahujan Samaj Party chief Mayawati today made it clear she will not attend the opposition party's meeting called by the Congress, dealing to blow the attempt to showcase a united front against the BJP on the Citizenship Act. Mayawati is angry with the Congress after all 6 MLAs of her party in Rajasthan joined the ruling Congress.